Hi again. In this lesson we're going to talk about how to convert from binary to decimal number in Python programming language. In order to do that, we'll use function int, which converts any number into integer, or we could say decimal number. Let's say that we want to convert, I don't know, maybe binary 100 into decimal. So if we try to put inside int function as an argument number 100 or 100, we'll get decimal number 100. So the problem is when we want to put inside this function as an argument binary number, we must to give suggestion to this function that this number is binary. So to suggest that this is a binary number, we'll use 0 and letter B. 0 and letter B are the representation of the binary number. So with that representation we're saying that this number is binary, and with this function we want to convert it to integer. Let's try, and now our binary number is converted to integer number. Let's try to check it on calculator. Let's say that we have binary 100 and that we want to convert it to decimal number, and we will get number 4. So our calculations are correct. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.